Every video you're seeing on screen was created with a brand new AI video generator, completely free, without buying any premium subscription. If you haven't tried this new AI yet, you're probably missing out on one of the most exciting AI video generators of 2026. This platform even gives you free access to the powerful new Seedance 2.5 model, so you can create cinematic videos that are 10 to 15 seconds long at 720p resolution. To show you exactly how it works, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step in this video using the free plan. We'll also test the text-to-image feature, and at the end, I'll share an important tip that can help you create even more videos with this platform. And trust me, this video isn't clickbait or a paid promotion. If you're looking for a free AI video generator, I definitely recommend giving this tool a try sooner rather than later, because AI platforms are changing incredibly fast, and even this free plan could become more limited or disappear altogether in the near future. I'm Iman, and welcome to Iman Global. There's a very good chance this AI is exactly what you've been looking for. This platform is called Dola, and I'll leave the access link in the description and show you how to get started at the end of the tutorial. When you first get started, there's a chance the platform may not open at all for some of you, and you might run into different error messages. That doesn't necessarily mean something is wrong with the platform. The service may simply not be available in your country or region. If that's the case, you may need to use a location-changing tool to access it. The login option is in the top right corner of the website. You can sign in with Apple, Facebook, or your personal email, but for a quick start, I'm going with Continue with Google. After signing in, you'll be asked a few simple questions, and once you answer them, you'll be taken straight into the platform. To create our first completely free video and test this AI video generator, click New Chat from the menu on the left. A prompt box opens at the bottom of the screen. Click Create Video. Open the model selector, and from the available options, choose Dreamina Seedance 2.5. Under duration, set the video length to 5 seconds, although 10 seconds is available as well. For aspect ratio, since this is for YouTube, 16:9 is the way to go. With the settings ready, I'll drop the prompt I prepared earlier into the box. It describes a realistic scene, and I'm hitting Generate. A message appears showing that the text-to-video generation is running with the new Dreamina Seedance 2.5 AI model. This generation costs 2 points and takes around 1 to 3 minutes to complete. 2 more points are still available for today. Our first AI video is ready. Clicking the video thumbnail opens it in a new box on the right, where it starts playing automatically. My prompt was for a young blonde woman wearing a black outfit in a sunny park, with a cinematic atmosphere and a beautiful smile. The result came out really well and stayed surprisingly close to the prompt. Move the mouse over the video thumbnail and the download option appears, allowing you to save the file. The videos are delivered in MP4 format at 720p resolution. I still have some free credits left, so let's use them to create another video. Create Video comes up again. Dreamina Seedance 2.5 stays selected as the video model, duration goes to 5 seconds, and aspect ratio stays at 16:9. The prompt I prepared for this scene goes into the box, followed by Generate. Less than 3 minutes later, the second video is ready. This time, the prompt was for a 3D scene created with AI, a cute and lovable robot moving through a dense forest. The result matches the idea I gave it really well. To finish, move the mouse over the video thumbnail, wait for download to appear, and save the file. During this test, as you can see on screen, I ran into this error while generating a video of a beautiful woman. For copyright protection, I can't show you the generated video. To fix the problem, I edited my prompt using ChatGPT. You can also use Claude or Gemini to rewrite your prompt. The video you're seeing now was generated from that same prompt after the sensitive words were removed. For the next example, Create Video comes up again. Select the video model, keep the aspect ratio at 16:9, and set the video length to 5 seconds. Enter the next prompt and hit Generate. Let's see what we got. My prompt was for a high-performance Lamborghini speeding down the road, and this AI video generator handled a pretty challenging scene surprisingly well. Back to Create Video. The video model stays selected. Duration goes to 5 seconds, and aspect ratio is 16:9. Enter the next prompt and hit Generate. After a few minutes of processing, the result is ready. Let's take a look. One of the biggest challenges for AI is getting hands and fingers right while someone is playing an instrument. This result shows that the AI can handle guitar playing scenes and even music video style shots pretty well. Create video comes up one more time. Dreamina Seedance 2.5 is selected as the video model. The video length is 5 seconds, and aspect ratio is 16:9. Enter the prompt and hit generate. After a quick processing time, we get to the toughest and most exciting scene of the entire test, creating a pure cinematic action sequence with AI. A ship battling through a massive storm, and the result looks surprisingly natural. Time to move on to the part where you can turn your own ideas into images with AI. Click Create Image. Under the image model, choose Seedream 4.5. Since the images are for YouTube, set the aspect ratio to 16:9. For this test, I'm using the portrait style because I want a realistic look. One really interesting part is the template section. You'll find tons of example images created with the platform, ranging from advertising and commercial-style visuals to artistic creations. If you want to create an image similar to one of them, simply select an image from the list and click Try. The original prompt is automatically added to the prompt box, so you can use it as a starting point for creating your own image. My own prompt is already prepared, so I'll paste it into the box and hit Generate. Image generation is free, so there's no credit cost for this test. After a short processing time, 4 image thumbnails appear. Click one of the thumbnails to inspect the image at a larger size. Under each image, there's a download button that lets you save it without a watermark. The portrait images turned out really well, and they match my prompt surprisingly closely. Let's also check out 3D image generation with this AI. Click Create Image, keep Seedream 4.5 as the image model, and set the dimensions to 16:9. For this test, change the style to 3D. Paste the prompt into the box and hit Generate. After a short processing time, 4 image thumbnails appear again. Click one of them and take a look at these results. The parrots came out so convincingly 3D that they look like they came straight out of a high-end animated movie. Finally, I switched the style to anime and created another image using the same method. Take a look at these anime images. They genuinely look like they were designed by a Japanese artist. If you want the prompts I used to create these images and videos, let me know in the comments, and I'll share all of them with you. The access link you see on screen is for Dola, which I think is one of the best AI tools out there, especially because it gives you free access to Seedance 2.5. It has relatively few bugs, and you can download your videos at 720p resolution. Those are features that not many platforms currently make this easy to access. The only real downside is the limited number of free credits. But there's one little trick that can help you get more free generations, and it's definitely worth knowing. If you have multiple Google accounts, you may be able to use each account to get its own batch of daily free credits, and create more videos with the platform. Found this video helpful? Hit like and subscribe for more AI tools and free platforms you can discover before everyone else. And if you made it this far, you're officially a legend.